This video demonstrates the essential operations of glyphics software. A few words in the video have special meanings. To accent X means to replace X with the most popular accented version of X. In French, the most popular accent for E is E acute, by far. The second most popular is E grave. In the video, Shift means to type the Shift key by itself, and that's the trigger that causes accenting to happen. For example, a typist manually accents E by typing E, then Shift to replace E with E acute, or E Shift 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 for E circumflex, E's third most popular accent. The video shows just left shifts for French accents, but shows both right and left shifts to apply the double accents of Vietnamese. The advantage of Shift key is simply that it enables professional touch typists to transcribe foreign language documents at their highest possible speed. The video also demonstrates how automatic accents relieves the typist of accenting altogether, except for the introduction of new accented words. For better visibility, the camera angle emphasizes the left side of the keyboard since all accents are applied with the left shift, with one exception we'll cover shortly. The first accented French word, dépôt, D-E-P-O-T-S, demonstrates E and O replaced by E acute and O circumflex, their most popular accents, caused by one shift each. Notice, too, how three shifts produce the E circumflex in the words l'intérêt and même. Applying accents in other supported languages is similar to French, except for Vietnamese. That's because a letter can have two accents, one for spelling and one for tone. A typist first applies a spelling accent with a right shift and then applies a tonal accent with a left shift. It's not surprising that Vietnamese has 72 differently accented vowels. This manual version of glyphics tries to be automatic and succeeds, one word at a time. Once a word is accented, it is automatically accented whenever its letters are typed. In the first email, three accents are manually applied: A circumflex, E grave, and I circumflex, all second most popular accents. But in the second email, those accents are applied automatically. Since accented words accumulate in a database for each Windows user, a personal dictionary becomes available very quickly. Here we'll see automatic accent in both Vietnamese and French. The Vietnamese language has the interesting property of mostly short words, most of which are accented. If ever there was a language that would derive great benefit from automatic accenting, it would have to be Vietnamese. Of course, automatic accenting simplifies routine composition for any and all glyphics-supported languages. Some French words vary only in accents. For example, becher can have e circumflex or e acute. The circumflex variant means dig, while the acute variant means beaker. As we've seen in manual glyphics, the typist applies the correct accent with the shift. But in automatic mode, Glyphics, by default, reuses the variant last used. But if that variant is inappropriate, an appropriate variant is swapped in with a simple shift. That's right. Shift not only replaces accented letters, it also replaces accented words. In sentence 1, the typist overrides the acute variant selected by Glyphics, and Glyphics in turn accepts the circumflex variant as its new default. However, the new Glyphics default is inappropriate for sentence 2 and is overridden by the typist with the acute variant, which becomes the new Glyphics default. And sentence 3 is a repeat of sentence 1. Only the typist knows which variants work and which don't. Glyphics is an innovative keyboarding system that enables high-performance touch typists to transcribe foreign language documents at their highest speed. Glyphics works with all Latin-based keyboards, requires no keyboard mapping or conditioning, and delivers text in more than 100 international languages, including tonal languages such as Vietnamese. It achieves this capability through the innovative use of the 2 shift keys present on all keyboards. The typist uses them to direct Glyphics to apply language accents and diacritics as required in the course of high-speed touch typing.